The next thing that we're going to talk about in this chapter is current and charge. If you experience a power cut at night, an electric torch can be very useful, but it needs to be checked regularly to make sure it works. Figure 1 shows what is inside a torch. The circuit shows how the torch bulb is connected to the switch and the two cells. A circuit diagram shows you how the components in a circuit are connected together. Each component has its own symbol. Figure 2 that we're going to see in the next slide shows the symbols for some of the components you will meet in this course. The function of each component is also described. You need to recognize these symbols and remember that what each component is used for, otherwise you will get mixed up. More importantly, if you mix them up when building a circuit, you could get a big shock. First one is a battery. A cell is necessary to push electrons around a complete circuit. A battery consists of two or more cells. The plus symbol next to the long line of the cell indicates that this is the positive terminal of the cell. Second one is the switch. This component enables the current in a circuit to be switched on or off. An indicator, such as a bulb, is designed to emit light as a signal when a current passes through it. A diode allows current through in one direction only. A light-emitting diode or LED emits light when a current passes through it. An ammeter that is used to measure electric current. We have a fixed resistor that limits the current in a circuit, and a variable resistor that allows the current to be varied. And this symbol is for a fuse that is designed to melt and therefore break the circuit if the current through it is greater than the certain amount. We have a heater that is designed to transfer energy from an electric current to heat the surroundings. And last, we have the voltmeter that is used to measure a potential difference.